Hey guys, welcome to Isaiah's Reviews, and today we'll be reviewing the TCEK camping chair. This has a 360-degree swivel on it. It's a lot like a click chairs, but I'd say a step up from that. I actually like it better than the click chair because of that swivel feature, and I find myself sitting in it and just swiveling around and having a good time instead of stationary. So yeah, it's pretty similar to the click chair in size and whatnot, 3.5 pounds or so. It's a little bit bigger, but not much because of that swivel addition, and it is extremely comfortable. I really do like it. It folds back up into a water bottle size, a big water bottle size, and it goes back in. I would reverse it from how it's packed because of the fabric. Kind of goes, when it folds back in, the fabric sits on top, and they have it sitting down on the ground like how you would sit it when you're storing it or something. So I just switched the chair upside down and put it in legs first, so you avoid rubbing maybe a hole in that fabric or something like that. But really, that's the only negative to it, is remember to pack it and store it correctly with the fabric up and not the weight of the 3.5 pounds down onto the fabric. That's kind of it. It's comfortable. I really like sitting in it. I've used it for a few months now. No complaints. The only thing I don't know about is the swiveling, the gear that's in there or something that swivels on. Mixed with sand or salt or something like that over time, and that grind of it and keeping that lubed up. I don't know, but anything external away from a beach setting, I don't see this being an issue. Leaning back in it, relaxing, all that stuff has not weakened that point, which was I was kind of worried about, and was really wanting to see this chair in action to see if that would be an issue. But for me, there hasn't been any kinds of issues. So as far as this as an alternative to click chair with a swivel involved, I highly recommend it. And I would make sure to check on their accessories to see if they come up with like pouches with added storage for more chairs or something like that. Because if you have a family of 4, you might want a backpack style carrier for it. But really, you could kind of just put it in a backpack, I guess, and do it yourself. But it does come with a storage sleeve and the ability to unfold in seconds. And as far as chairs goes, I'd put that up above the click chair right now, unless you're really wanting to go to the beach with it, which, less moving parts is probably good for corrosion's sake and whatnot from sand and salt. So maybe click chair will come up in that area there, but everything else, I believe that this chair is pretty nice and overbuilt and rugged and heavy duty and light, and compact. So make sure to check it out. Link it down in the YouTube description. Make sure to explode on that subscribe button and ding that bell so you can notify the next product review I got coming out. See ya.